Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Dear children, Assalamu alaikum. Let's learn the letter poem. Ma, ba, wa, fa are from the lips. Tongue has many, 12 from the tip. Tha, the, dha, ta, the, ta, za, sa, sa, la, na, ra. From its middle are ja, sha, ya. From its edges are da, ka, qa. 6 from the throat. A, ha, a, ha, gha, kha. And from the cavity, alif. Parents and teachers, there are 10 special features of this letter poem. All letters are on fingertips and they are arranged in makhraj order from lips to throat in makharij groups. So we have 4 from lips, 12 from tongue tip, 6 from throat, and big groups of makharij are divided into smaller ones for ease. For example, 12 from tongue tip, but then we have tha, the, dha, one group, ta, da, ta, second one, and so on. 6 from throat, we have a, ha, a, ha, gha, kha. So we have 3 groups there. And it has phonics system, a latest language teaching system. That is, we teach the sounds instead of letter names. For example, instead of saying Hamza, we say A with fatha. So no need of doing hijjah and makes it easier to read the Qur'an. And we teach with actions because kids love to move their hands. And actions show attributes. These are meaningful actions. For example, thin and thick, thick and high, very thick and high, thick and high up to neck level, very thick and high up to forehead level. And these actions show letter counts also. 4. Okay, ma, ba, wa, fa, or 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And 6 from the throat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it has built-in tajweed groups. For example, shamsi letters. These are all shamsi letters with dad and sheen. Or ikhfa letters, except one. Or izhar letters. So it's so easy to teach tajweed rules. And it makes it easy to apply tajweed rules. For example, sabara. Sa-ba-ra. Sabara. Qala. Qa-la. Qala. Allahu Akbar. A. Lam is here. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. In this way, the kids will learn the Quran and Arabic with love and passion and easily and quickly. وجزاكم الله خيرا والسلام عليكم.